Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, as you know that after summer vacation, your online classes is started now. So my dear students, in our earlier two videos, we revised our chapters. This is your subject teacher of science, and at this time we revised chapter number first, types of plants, from your science book in our earlier two videos. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss about the summary of this chapter. The explanation of this chapter is completed. There are two topics in this chapter. First, the types of a plant and parts of a plant. Now students, next topic, green plants make their own food. So students, do you know how plants make their own food? So in this topic we are going to know how plants make their own food. So students, green plants make their own food. They need light, air and water for making food. Some plants store extra food in their body parts like roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds. So students, green plant need light, air and water for making their food. And some plants store their extra food in their body parts. So you know very well about the body parts of a plant, that are roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds. So students, we eat or plants store their extra food in roots as carrot, and in stem as potato, ginger, and leaves as spinach, cabbage, and as fruit mango, apple, banana, and as seed cereals and pulses, you know, wheat, rice, gram. Now students, let's discuss about the keywords of this chapter. So the first keyword is tree. Big and tall plant with a strong and woody main stem, trunk is called tree. So students, what are tree? A big and tall plants with a strong and woody stem. Woody stem means trunk. You can say that woody main stem as trunk is called a tree. Next, shrubs. Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. So students, what are shrubs? Small plants with woody stem. Plants that are very small. Sorry, not very small. That are small but have woody stems are called shrubs. For example, rose, hibiscus, jasmine. The next one, herbs. So herbs are small plants with soft stems. For example, coriander, mint. These are the example of herbs because they have soft stems. Next one is climbers. So students, plants with weak stems that need the support of other plants, wall or stick to grow upright are called climbers. So students, climbers always need support of other plants, wall or sticks to grow upright. For example, money plant and grapevine. So students, these are the example of climbers. The next one, creepers. Plants with weak stems that grow along the ground are called creepers. So students, Creepers have also weak stems and they grow along the ground. For example, watermelon, strawberry, and pumpkin. The next one, the next keywords are the parts of a plant: root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, and seeds. So let's discuss about them. Root, the part that fixes the plants to the ground is called the root. So students, what is the function of root? Root fixes the plant to the ground. The next one, stem. So students, stem carries water and food to all other parts of the plant. So this is the function of stem, to carry water and food to all other parts of the plant. The next one is leaf. So leaf is a flat green parts that make food for the plant. Flower, the part that becomes a fruit, is called the flower. So students, the flower is also a colorful part of a plant and flower becomes a fruit. Now fruit. So students, the part that has seed is called the fruit. So students, where do we find seeds? We find seeds in the fruit. The last one is seed. The part from which a baby plant grows is called the seed. So students, from where a baby plant grows? Yes, a baby plant grows from the seed that is found inside the fruit. Now let's come to the summary of this chapter. So students, in this chapter we had studied about, based on the size and the type of stem, plants can be grouped into trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. So students, plants according to their size, they are grouped into or classified into 5 types or 5 groups, that are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creeper. The next one, big and tall plants with strong and woody stem are called trees. So students, the first type of plant, that is tree, are big and tall plants with strong and woody stem. The next one, shrubs. Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. So students, shrubs are small plants with woody stem. The next one, small plants with soft stems are called herbs. So students, herbs are very small plants with soft stems like coriander, mint, etc. The next one is climbers. So climbers are plants that need support of other plants, walls or sticks to grow upright. So students, climbers have generally weak stem and they need support to stand straight or grow upright. The last one is creepers. So students, creepers are plants with weak stems that grow along the ground. So students, creepers have also weak stem like climbers, and creepers grow along the ground, while climbers need support of other plants to stand straight or grow upright. So this is a difference between climbers and creepers. So my dear students, this was the explanation of this chapter. You have to read this chapter and you have to learn the keywords from this chapter. Like if I ask you about tree, so you have to answer big and tall plant with a strong and woody stem is called a tree. If I ask what are shrubs, you have to answer small plants with woody stem are called shrubs. So similarly, like in herbs, you have to answer small plants with soft stems are called herbs. If I ask what is climber or what are climbers, so you have to answer plants with weak stems that need the support of other plants, wall or sticks to grow upright are called climbers. And if I ask what are creepers, so you have to answer plants with weak stems that grow along the ground are called creepers. So students, similarly you have to answer all the keywords. You have to learn this and you have to read the chapter to your pronunciation well. So students, I hope you understood about the types of a plants and parts of a plant and how do green plants make their own food by the help of this video, and also from earlier two videos. Now students, don't forget to do all the homework and assignment that is given during you in your live classes. You have to complete all your homework